Finally, today OPPO globally launched OPPO Find N3. The device inner display comes with 7.28-inch 1B color double vision HDR display with 120Hz refresh rate. And the good thing is the device comes with 2800 peak brightness. And the cover display is also great. The display comes with 6.31-inch 1B color OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it's also 2800 peak brightness. And the device also comes with lot of features. You can get 2-finger split screen feature. That means you can use 2 different apps in the same time. And the device are very lightweight. It's only 239 grams, so it's very comfortable for long time using. Out of the box, it's running Android 13 with ColorOS 13.2. It's come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with 12 and 16GB of RAM with UFS 4.0. In the camera department, it's come with triple camera setup, 48MP main sensor and 64MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 48MP ultra wide. And in the front is come with 20MP selfie camera. And here is the some picture sample, and as you can see that the picture quality is too good. By the way, OPPO Find N3 and OnePlus Open are the same device with a different branding, and OPPO Open also ready to launch this month. It's powered by 4800 mAh battery and is powered by 67W fast charging. And the device comes with beautiful 4 color: black, green, golden and red. Let's now talk about the price. The device launched $2,400 for 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.